Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to take a 5 virtual tour of Nepal, a beautiful country situated in South Asia. Nepal is known for its breathtaking natural scenery, rich cultural heritage, and warm hospitality. In this video, we will be showing you the best places to visit in Nepal. So let's get started. Number 1. Kathmandu. Our first stop is the capital city of Nepal, Kathmandu. This bustling city is filled with ancient temples, monasteries, and colorful markets. You can visit the famous Swayambhunath Stupa, also known as the Monkey Temple, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can also explore the Darbar Square, which is home to several temples and palaces. If you are looking for a more spiritual experience, you can visit the Pashuptinath Temple, which is one of the most sacred Hindu temples in the world. Number 2. Pokhara. Next on our list is Pokhara, a city located in the western part of Nepal. Pokhara is known for its stunning natural beauty and is often referred to as the gateway to the Himalayas. You can take a boat ride on the tranquil Lake, which offers breathtaking views of the Annapurna range. You can also visit the World Peace Pagoda, a Buddhist stupa that offers panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. Number 3. Chitwan National Park. Chitwan National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is located in the southern part of Nepal. It is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna, including the Bengal tiger, one-horned rhinoceros, and Asian elephant. You can take a jungle safari to explore the park and see the wildlife up close. Number 4. Annapurna Circuit. The Annapurna Circuit is a popular trekking destination in Nepal, and it's not hard to see why. The trek takes you through some of the most stunning landscapes in the country, including snow-capped mountains, deep gorges, and lush valleys. You can also visit traditional villages along the way and experience the local culture. Number 5. Everest Base Camp. Last but not least, we have the Everest Base Camp, which is located at an altitude of 5,364 meters. This trek is not for the faint of heart, but it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience that will leave you in awe. You'll pass through traditional Sherpa villages, cross high-suspension bridges, and eventually reach the base of the tallest mountain in the world. Conclusion: Nepal is truly a hidden gem in South Asia, and we hope this video has inspired you to visit this beautiful country. From the bustling streets of Kathmandu to the serene beauty of the Himalayas, Nepal has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Nepal today. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.